Hi dear all Espresso TV watchers, let's present something made in Germany, the ECM grinders, the 64.
Yeah, the S Manuale and the S Automatic we produce here in Germany. Like that's our latest products which we finished, and it has 64mm grinding burrs. It's very fast in grinding. Like for one portion, for 7 gram you have 3.8 seconds, and so it's a very strong grinder in a compact size.
Very fast, yeah. For me, the fastest one in this size. It's like the Mazza Mini electronic needs like 12 to 14 seconds for one portion.
Yeah, so we are 3 times faster.
Wow.
Yeah, it's
Okay, so this produces also a lot of energy. Here we have the motor, so and all the energy is transformed into heat, and the heat must go somewhere.
Yeah, that's why we have included in the mold, like which is our mold, this kind of lines to get the heat from the internal to the outside. And for this reason we also included on the body of the grinder, like on the back side, we have those 3 slides to get rid of the warm air, I call it, yeah.
Yeah, and here it comes the coffee powder, and this stuff, how to call it in English?
I would call it grit, like to
grit,
avoid
yeah.
to avoid the static of the grinder, so that the coffee is going inside the portafilter, not going around.
Okay, yeah.
We used to have a silicone blade, but now we removed this to the stainless steel grit to have a better result in the grinding.
Okay, cool. So I'm really very proud to present together with Michael made in Germany grinder. Really cool. Super. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Ciao. Bye.